Welcome back to the Klaus Restoration Crafts and Reviews channel. Said it pretty fast, you got it right. So today you're going to watch a hydraulic hinge being installed. And if you like it, buy one. These things are like $3, 128 pesos or something like that, plus shipping. And they work very good. They hold things open. They work. You can see how it works when you start watching the video. The installation process is simple, easy to use, and very nice to have, especially if you have trunks or things like that, desktops, things like you will see in the video. So hope you enjoy it. And now here's the joke. The old mama is so stupid she thought a quarterback was a refund. See you next time, all you out there in TV land on the Klaus Restoration channel. You know the rest of it. Bye. I'm going to put this hydraulic hinge on 100 N. That means newtons. 100 newtons of pure energy. So I'm going to measure it like this. This one here with a 3 on it goes on this side because this one goes on the up part, so it'll go up here. So I'm going to measure out whereabouts it will go, like so. That's about right. And then I'll go ahead and screw it to it. A little ways down, a little ways over. And this one is already broke.
Broke already?
I'm just kidding, it ain't.
Are you sure?
Yeah, it's not broke. I'm just joking around. If it was broke, I'd be red with green stripes already. Where do you get these, you say? You have to order them. I'm screwing into soft pine, so... Turn off the oven. I'm screwing into soft pine, so it's not a big deal. But you may want to make pilot holes or something if you're screwing into something harder. It's a good idea to even use pilot holes here, but never mind. I'll have to get up here in a second and turn the oven off, or my clay sculpture is going to be finished. So you won't have that bumpity bump if you drill a pilot hole. So we got it on now, and we had to scoop back the other part. We had to scoop back this. So this is as high as it raises because of the length of the cylinder. And when it closes, you can see this gray part that was hitting just a minute ago. It's right, got lucky. It's only lays about 2 millimeters away from the plastic part. We had to move it again. We got lucky with it. See? The trunk in there is supposed to close soft like that and then open on its own, but it don't because the top's so heavy. If I had 2 of these on it, it probably would, but I'm not going to put 2 on it. And besides, it's upside down. If I turn this around in the air, it may work right. That one in that trunk's upside down. It may go in there and pop that off and turn it around right quick. Give me that long screwdriver.
Put the last screws.
You can see it.
Little Sierra using her compartment table. Open it now. Open. Open the table ba? The table. Open the table, please.
Bring that one up the other way.
Table, please. Okay, now her finger whenever get clipped. That was Daddy said. Easy access. You don't need to hold the table. And just push it down. Just like that. And up. Just like that. And down. Just like that. And up. Just like that. Did you like it? Huh? Okay.